17,601 for Angelo, 17,607 for Tom, 18,3 for Nate, and Donald with 18,402.
Come on, Jock, come on.
30 seconds to go. This is about the least of race touring cars in Monsoon. That was fun. Tom with an 18.7, 18, oh, never mind. Less than 10. Tom just a tick off his PQ. Everybody is live. Keep going until I call your name. And when I call your name, run like hell back under the tent. Just kidding. Alright, here comes Tom.
Oh!
Gets 5.
R1 again.
Nate, you're done. Tom, you're done. Angelo and Donald coming through. Angelo, you're done. Donald, you're done.
I was done.
Alright guys, let's take a short break due to weather.